Most exciting day of his life.
What the shiz?
Yeah, Joe's Jax. Joe's Jax.
Come on, Joe. What the shiz? You gotta get a point, Joe.
Arm down. Just gotta stand it. Yeah. No point reaching for it. Just find it off and just stand back up. It's always fun to get caught.
Ours are like exactly the same, but we both have the deal about.
I don't know.
By 1 point.
I already matched it.
1 point.